Breaking news, somebody tried to escape last night. Just to clarify, it wasn't me or Jade trying to scale the wall of this hotel and escape. Hello everyone, it's me again, Luke. Thank you all for your words of kindness and support whilst we're going through this thing. You've asked a few questions, so I had the time. I thought I would answer them for you. So, here we go. What is the food like? It doesn't take too much to please me when it comes to food, but we get 3 meals a day delivered to our door. Whilst we're on that, let's quickly touch on the rules of the room. They're very simple. 1, don't leave your room. 2, anytime you do open the front door, everyone in the room must have a mask on. And 3, if you're going to go onto the balcony, you must maintain 1.5 meters distance from anyone else, and you must wear a mask whilst you're out there. Simple. Back to the food. We get 3 meals delivered a day, get a knock on the door, we run on over, open the door, and miraculously, there are some bags of food in there. The meals aren't bad. Breakfast is generally a cereal with some milk, a fruit drink, and either some fruit or some biscuits. For lunch, it's generally been a kind of sandwich, a salad, a piece of fruit, and that's about it. And for dinner's been good. It's been a nice warm meal along with the soup, and then some kind of dessert that is often either chopped up fruit or sometimes cake. They've all been tasty, although one meal had coriander in it. No coriander. So I've been happy with the food. Nice. What do you do for entertainment? I film and edit videos, play video games, listen to audiobooks, listen to music, started learning basic programming, enjoy the views from the balcony, lurk on Reddit, discuss the world, politics, and philosophy with Jade. The hotel provides a good list of movies and basic TV. And I have an HDMI cable if I want to connect my laptop to the TV. If I had more time, I'd probably start learning another language on Duolingo as well. Do you have to pay? We're very lucky and fortunate that no, we don't have to pay for this entire stay. I believe there are exceptions and rules and different circumstances which determine whether you pay or not, and we're lucky that in the circumstance that we were in, we don't have to pay because we're in close contact and because we don't actually have a primary residence here in Queensland. Are you able to get things delivered? Yes, we are. You can get something like Uber Eats. They'll deliver the food to the hotel, and then obviously one of the quarantine staff will bring it up to you. We can also make orders to Chemist Warehouse for personal hygiene products and whatever they sell, and they will have it delivered for free. Naturally, after learning this, I ordered 2 kilos of protein. And then for everything else, like maybe click and collect, so for instance, we wanted to get some wine. We also needed a charger for a laptop. So we just ordered that from Officeworks and the wine from BWS. And there is a lady here that we can call, and for a fee, she'll go out, pick them up, and then have them delivered to the hotel. So that's fantastic. It's been very helpful. Do you have internet? Fortunately, we have plenty of internet on our phones, but the hotel does provide internet. But looking at their download and upload speeds, they may as well not. I mean, what would you expect from a hotel? Are there any laundry facilities? Unfortunately, it appears that either because of the whole COVID quarantine thing or because there is a legitimate issue with their laundry facilities, we don't have access to any kind of laundry facilities here. But what they have kindly provided as an alternative is washing powder. And what we will do is we'll make a bath stew of washing. So we'll put it in, give it a wash. The drying part's a little bit harder. We try and be respectful and not hang the clothes off of the actual railing outside like a shanty mill, but fortunately I just tie my training bands together and make a makeshift clothesline. But look at the filth that came out of our clothes from camping. That's the personal side of the laundry. As for the bed linen and towels and things like that, the hotel actually delivers to us clean bed sheets and towels every couple of days, and we just put all our dirty ones back in that bag and it goes off. Are you still training? Come on now, you know me. Where there's a will, there's a way. I'm doing my best. I have been doing some training on the 3x1 meter balcony. Yeah, it's enough. It's pretty good. And we also throw in some yoga and a little bit of CrossFit-y bodyweight stuff. It's not bad. It's good enough. It's something. What's the view like? Personally, I think the view is fantastic. We've got mountains on one side, and then we've got mountains and ocean on the other side. Yeah, nice. And the cloud coverage brings out all these lights during golden hour. Love it. It's good. Have you had sex with the hotel security? I never kiss and tell. Besides, we know what happened last time somebody did that. Favorite and least favorite thing about being in quarantine? My favorite thing? I don't know if you can see that. It's the shower. I love having a shower available to us every single day. Weird, but since we've been camping and living out of the van for so long, it wasn't uncommon for me to go a few days without that. My least favorite thing? I need more space for activities. I want to be moving a bit more, going on hikes, or even going to actual gyms. That's my least favorite, but I'm sure everyone here would have different ones. Thanks for the questions, everyone. I hope they provide a little insight to what we have going on here. What it is, it's not that bad. If I didn't have my laptop or the internet, the experience might be a little bit more insane. But I do. So I've been very fortunate. Thanks heaps everyone for the questions. I hope you're having a good time. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. I'll catch you later. Virus.